Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on Microsoft Surface Studio 2 laptop. First of all, you have to open the Start menu, then go to System Settings, and after that, select System on the sidebar, scroll down to Recovery, open this menu. And once you're ready to start performing the factory reset operation, click Reset PC. You'll have two options, either to keep your files or remove everything. If you want to perform the full factory reset, you're going to have to remove everything. Keep my files option will basically reset your apps and settings. So let's go with the second option we have on the screen. And now if you are connected to the Wi-Fi, then you'll also be able to choose whether to reinstall your device's Windows locally using your system files, or use the cloud version of the Windows to install the clean copy of it. So I recommend using cloud download. Of course, it will take more time and will use some of your internet data, but this way you will get yourself a clean Windows copy, and it's especially useful if you suspect that there is some kind of malware on your computer, or if you are planning to resell your computer. But I'm gonna go with the local reinstall because it's simply faster. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna select local reinstall. Then on the following page, we're gonna have to click Change Settings, and here we'll be able to also decide whether we want to just remove the files by switching the toggle to no, which is quicker but less secure, or perform the full clean of the drive, so format the drive entirely by switching to yes, which may take more time, but will make it harder to recover files. Once again, I'm just gonna switch to no for the purpose of this video being not several hours long. Then click Confirm, Next. Wait for a moment, and then you'll see the brief explanation to what's going to happen to your device next, well, once things get ready. Okay, so right now, in order to begin the reset process, we're going to have to click Reset and make sure that your device is connected to the power source during this process. Then your device will begin to prepare for the factory reset operation. So now we just have to wait until the factory reset operation is performed. Okay, so basically at this point we just have to wait until the factory reset is finished. Then we'll see the language selection menu, and once you see the language selection menu, that means that the factory reset operation is completed. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.